Hello everyone, this is my review of the TasteStyle single serve 1 cup coffee maker, a great addition to any coffee lover's collection. Its compact design and convenient to go handle makes it perfect for travel, camping, or small spaces, like RVs, domes, apartments, and hotels. The coffee maker accommodates both K cups or pods and ground coffee, providing flexibility in brewing options. The ability to brew sizes ranges from 6 to 14 ounces, allows for customization based on personal preference. Its user friendly operations and quick brewing time is a hassle free experience, delivering a hot cup of coffee in minutes. The sleek black and gold design is a nice touch, and cleanup is straightforward, making it a practical choice for daily use. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.